This video is about replacing the wiring centre for my central heating system, which came about because when I replaced the power head on my central heating zone valve due to a temperamental micro switch, I found that the wiring centre that had been installed, it was just a 2-gang junction box with all the wires stuffed in it. So simply replacing the wires for the power head was easier served by chopping the cable and splicing it in just here. But I did resolve to make amends here and install the new wiring centre. So I chose this one from Salus, and the first thing I did was made a sketch of exactly what was in the junction box, and instead of drawing all the wires in, which would have made it even more confusing, the terminal strips that was in the junction box, there were 7 terminals, so I numbered these cables 1 to 7 as they entered into the terminal strip, and then from that I produced an actual wiring diagram for the 7 terminals and established that this is actually correct. I mean, the alternating heating system works correctly anyway, so it's okay. And then referring to the terminals on the new wiring system as to where the various wires should go, I numbered up the cables with the new terminal numbers on for the new wiring centre. Now I've got the terminal strip off, ready to pull the old junction box off and get the new one on.